Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating and syncing an account so events stay reliable across devices. Open the calendar app, sign in, and enable sync for email and contacts. This ensures invites and updates flow. Once done, set your default calendar, time zone, and working hours so new events land where you expect. Then create a simple test event, title, time, location, invite a contact, to validate permissions and notifications. This small proof step prevents surprises later and confirms the basics are functioning. Next, manage events with clear categories and recurrence to reduce friction. Use colors and tags to separate personal, work, and urgent items so scanning your day is instant. For repeating commitments, choose custom repeat rules, add an end date, and mark exceptions for holidays. Attach files, links, and video conference details, invite groups, and confirm RSVP options. Once you've set reminders and buffer times, make sure to review conflicts and resolve overlaps so your schedule stays realistic and actionable. Finish by sharing and backing up calendars to keep others aligned. Share entire calendars or single events, set view or edit permissions, and confirm recipients can see changes. Export a IX file as a backup, enable push notifications, and optionally set a daily agenda email to stay proactive. If something goes wrong, sync issues, missing invites, check account permissions, network access, and app cache, force a sync or re-add the account. That troubleshooting step resolves most problems and gets you back on track quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.